Hey guys, welcome back to the CodeSpace YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see how we can customize our Django admin panel. So I think some of you are bored with that old Django admin panel CSS or HTML, but in this video we are going to modify that. So let's get started. Let me jump into my VS Code, and I have already created this project. So for our convenience, so let me go in my models. So I have created one model here which is to do. Okay, so let me go in my localhost 8000 port and admin panel. Okay, so let me type my password. It will be Raj, and I don't want to show my password. Okay, username and password. So yes, so you can see that we are getting our normal Django admin panel, right? So like in this video we are going to customize this admin panel. So let's get started. So I'll go in my blog post. Okay, and here I have written with this blog, so we will follow this. Okay. I think all of you know that the Django admin panel is one of the default application of Django. So it would have their own CSS, their own HTML. So now in this video we will override that HTML and CSS. So that will be a crazy thing. So let's jump into our blog post. And in this, first you need to create a folder called admins. Okay, in template. So we have our template folder here, so let me go in that. Okay, now in template folder we need to create admin a template. In template folder we need to create one folder which will be admin. Okay, so let me create that. Okay, so our folder is created. Now in that we need to create one HTML file. Okay, base.html file. So let me create that also. So I'll say base.html. Okay, so this is the HTML file which we are going to override. Okay, so because Django has an inbuilt and default base.html, so now we will override that. Okay, so here we will copy this content. Let me copy this oh, what the heck. Okay, now let me copy this and paste this here. Okay, and now after you need to override the CSS also. So let me create one folder admin in CSS static folder. So I'll create in static I'll create a new folder which will be admin. Okay, admin. And in admin I'll create one CSS file which will be admin_css. Okay, so now let me create this also, and in that we will paste this content. Okay, so let me paste this is so long CSS file. So let me okay, so let me copy this and let me paste this here. And now I think almost we are done with our task. Let me reload my server, and as you can see that we are getting this red color header with this black background. We can also modify this background as we want. So let me go background images. Okay, background, sorry, background image. Okay, so now I'll pick one background image from here, and yes, background image for admin panel. For admin I'll this is the okay, so I'll pick uh, this. Okay, so let me open this. Oh, sorry, let me copy this image address. So let me copy this, and instead of background black I want to paste that. So what I will do, I'll go in a okay, so I'll go in a body, and I'll simply get rid of this black color. So I'll say URL, and here I'll paste that URL. Okay, so let me paste this. Okay, now let's reload our server. Yes, and oh, we are not getting that. So let me check. Let me check. I think we have not copied proper image address. So let me copy proper image address and let me paste it here. So let me reload my server, and yes, as you can see that we are getting this proper background image. So you can do anything what you want with this admin panel. So I just want to show you how you can customize this admin panel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.